Could you say that again, Mr. Rottenborn?
Hearsay, Your Honor.
They clearly describe to...
This is hearsay, Your Honor.
Oh.
And I appreciate...
Sorry, it's evidence. And when he came home from school...
Your Honor, I'm just going to object on relevance.
You can move on.
Okay.
What she would like for him to cook. That's hearsay, I guess.
I'm not just sure it's often for the truth of the matter, sir.
He got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning.
The trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp is at the center of global attention. It's undeniably messy as more shocking truths keep coming up in the trial. Where there are celebrities, there's bound to be some kind of drama. And even though Amber hasn't hit the stands, her lawyers have been ruffling feathers, including her own. The trial has raised many questions like, did Amber fire her lawyer after messing up? Is she so terrible that her lawyers quit? Did Amber lose her temper and slap her lawyer after a bad performance? We've got the scoop in today's video. Hollywood's drama between celebrity couples isn't unheard of, but the ongoing defamation case is over the top. In probably what is now labeled the most controversial case in history, Johnny Depp is suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million after she accused him of abuse. Amber described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse in an opinion piece in the Washington Post. When Depp was asked what the accusations had cost him, he responded, nothing less than everything.
What have you lost as a result of Miss Heard making these allegations against you?
Nothing less than everything. Nothing less than everything.
Depp said that he began losing movie deals ever since the allegations were made. The Pirates of the Caribbean 6, where he would have played his iconic role Jack Sparrow, was put on hold, and he was dropped from the Fantastic Beasts film franchise. He said the allegations spread faster than he could imagine, and suddenly a very negative picture of his character was painted in the public eye. When the allegations were made and were rapidly circling the globe, telling people I was a drunken, cocaine-fueled menace who beat women, suddenly in my 50s, it's over. Depp said that what he had lost, he can never get back. I lost then, he added. No matter the outcome of this trial, I will carry this for the rest of my days. Amber countersued Depp for $100 million. She also claims that Depp libeled her by calling her a liar. According to Depp's reports, Amber needs violence. It erupts out of nowhere. Fans wonder if this could be true amid rumors of Amber losing her cool, arguing, and eventually slapping her lawyer. No official report has been issued, but many fans suspect it may be true because of the many mistakes the lawyer kept making in court, together with allegations of Amber being the aggressive one. In a recording, Amber can be heard taunting the 58-year-old actor that no one would believe him if he said he was the victim of domestic abuse. She said, "Tell them, I, Johnny Depp, I'm a victim of domestic abuse, and see how many people believe or side with you." The ongoing case has caused division among fans who are loyally standing on either front, eagerly waiting for the ruling. Critical mistakes. The trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has been in the limelight. The case has had several shocking reveals which have gotten people to see both sides. Rumors about Amber's lawyers quitting or getting fired started flying when they made some crucial mistakes during the trial. Number 1. Milanis Correcting Kit. Amber's lawyer, Elaine Bredhoft, claimed that her client always used a makeup kit by Milani to cover her bruises. The lawyer said that Amber always had the product with her. Bredhoft also said that Heard made sure that her bruises were never visible to the public. This was what she used, one of her attorneys said in an opening statement. She became very adept at it. You're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises as they developed in the different coloring, and how she would use these to touch those up to be able to cover those. The attorney went on to say. However, things got interesting when it was discovered that the brand of Milani's all-in-one correcting kit, which the lawyers insisted Amber had in her bag throughout, wasn't released until 2017. The cosmetic company released a TikTok video that juxtaposed the video from the courtroom with what looked like internal documents. A spokesperson for the company said Milani Cosmetics can confirm that the palette in question, the Milani Cosmetics Conceal and Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit, did not launch until December 2017. Johnny and Amber had parted ways long before then. Even though the company said that it was not involved in the case, it was keen to point out the facts. Our video was to verify the claim that our eagle-eyed and loyal fan base made about the product name in the trial. Although some speculate that there may have been earlier samples that were made available to Amber, neither her legal team nor Milani has confirmed it. Sources say that the makeup kit was used as an example and commented that the cosmetic company was making fun of the situation. However, Amber's lawyers did say that the company was trying to make little of what victims of domestic violence go through. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I want to be a content creator on YouTube in the long run, and my parents will only let me if I manage to get 1,000 subscribers within a month. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because it'll help my channel out and make my dreams come true. Now back to the video. 2. Lawyer objects his question. The defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has been messy, especially with all the details of their lives that keep coming up. Their lawyers have been questioning witnesses to get clear details about what happened in the past. However, it was surprising when one of Amber's attorneys messed up in court and technically played himself in court. Ben King, who is Depp's house manager, took questions on the stand. At the time, he was taking questions about the incident where Depp severed his fingertip. Amber's lawyer, Ben Rottenborn, asked him a question which Depp's lawyer quickly shut down with an objection. Rottenborn tried to change the question by rephrasing it. He asked, "You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?" King began to respond saying, "Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his fingers." But Rottenborn interrupted him. He said, "Objection, hearsay." This left everyone, including the judge, puzzled. The judge challenged him saying, "Wait, you asked the question." The lawyer, who now seemed disoriented and somewhat confused, could only manage to say, "Oh, okay." The whole situation caused many people in court to laugh, including Johnny Depp. Of course, it wasn't funny to Amber or the rest of her team. Videos of the incident quickly spread on social media, and it became a trending topic. Many took to Twitter to air their views. One user said, "If you want to know how the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial is going, all you need to know is that Amber's lawyer objected to a question he asked." Another tweeted saying, "This might be the best clip of the year, Amber Heard's lawyer objecting to his own question." The tweets have received many responses from both amused and fuming fans. Some also posted the clip on TikTok, and some have amassed hundreds of thousands of views. 3. Hearsay. Hearsay is a term that has been used a lot during Johnny and Amber's case. It's a legal term used for testimonies of witnesses based on what they experienced or witnessed, but rather, they are based on someone else's report. Besides the embarrassing ordeal where Amber's lawyer objected, Depp had earlier been seen getting curt with one of her lawyers. Depp was called to the stand for questioning, and it was clear that he did not like Rottenborn. Seemingly, the feeling was mutual. The two seemed to butt heads, and the atmosphere in the room was tense. For example, in one instance, while Depp was answering a question, the attorney interrupted him mid-sentence. "Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay," he said, in the middle of the Pirates of the Caribbean star's testimony. Depp, full of humor, retorted and asked him, "I haven't finished my sentence. How do you know?" The actor seemed amused because he kept smiling as he responded. This wasn't the only amusing hearsay moment either. Depp kept making the audience laugh with his humor. He even stopped speaking mid-sentence and said, "That's hearsay, I guess." These exchanges also got a lot of feedback from Twitter fans. One said, "Amusing moment from the trial." Anticipating an objection to his testimony, Depp said, "That's hearsay, I guess." Judge, "I'm not even sure it's been offered for the truth of the matter." Heard's lawyer, "He got it." Depp, "I'm learning." Other Twitter users took to the platform to criticize Amber's legal team, pointing out that they were incompetent, unprofessional, and full of contradictions. One Twitter user said, "I love how Rottenborn said that Amber throwing objects at Johnny Depp is not assault," and Sean Betts said, "Actually, it is." And Rottenborn had nothing to say. Where did Amber Heard get her lawyers? The discount rack? One of the incidents that sparked the comments was when one of the attorneys kept talking about a certain cream called Amica cream. However, as the trial progressed, it was later known that she was referring to Arnica cream. She had misread the name while going through her documents, and even though it was an honest mistake that could have happened to anyone, many still feel like it was a very unprofessional look. Do you think Amber will lose her cool with her lawyers? Let us know down in the comments.